Hi everyone, my name is Vesela Morova and together with Cvetan Momchilov, we created a set of vocal workouts for music students who want to train their singing voices. A total of 13 in number, the exercises come in two versions, a demonstration track and a piano accompaniment track which you can use as a sing-along. It is important to clarify that these workouts do not replace your lessons with an experienced vocal teacher. Always make sure you sing the exercises with ease and not too loud in volume. If you feel it's getting too high or too low for your voice, or if you feel any discomfort or strain in the throat, stop and wait until the exercise comes back to your comfortable key. All these exercises are part of the innovative platform for music education, omnis.cool. Here you will find many other exercises to develop your musical abilities, such as note reading and ear training. We'll be happy if you get in touch with us with any questions or comments, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel.